can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Over the last 1 month, Zcash is up 20%. Over the last 1 year, Zcash is up 99% with a market cap of over $800 million. Zcash is currently trading around $50. In this video, we'll take a look at Zcash performance against the US dollar, Zcash performance against Bitcoin, Zcash performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at Zcash market cap. Is it possible for Zcash to get to new all-time highs? How high can the market cap go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has seen renewal optimism. The altcoin market has seen double-digit gains over the last 1 month. Zcash is among the biggest gainers. Zcash is up 20% in the last 1 month, up 99% in the last 1 year. But guys, we have to go deeper into the charts. If you look at what Zcash has been doing, Zcash has been here in the cryptocurrency market since 2016. And since 2016, Zcash has failed to set new all-time high since 2016. It looks like Zcash has been in a downtrend after Zcash was launched. We saw it dumping to the $26 level. Historically, that has been a good time to buy Zcash. Anytime we see it around that $26 level, we now saw Zcash in the first full crypto bull market rally up to as high as $950. It took around 315 days for that rally to happen. Zcash went up by more than 3,000%. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be when things are going in your favor. But guys, that volatility worked both ways because it dumped to gobbling town, and that's what the altcoin market do in a bear market. In Zcash first full crypto bear market, we saw it dropping to new all-time lows. We saw Zcash losing 97% of its value in around 800 days. The altcoin market is brutal. If you don't buy at the right time, you have to sell at the wrong time, and that's what happened to the people that bought the top of Zcash. But guys, if you're one of the smart players that learn how to buy at the bottom, learn how to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and then you'll be getting some good value for money. Because if you got Zcash when there was COVID sell-off, when it went below $20, that was the best time to buy in that cycle. By 2021, when the cycle was ending, Zcash was already up 1,700% in around 427 days. Good risk to reward, but again, if you bought the wrong time, if you bought Zcash thinking to continue going higher, you are wrong then. Zcash doesn't have a mind of its own. It performs with the cycle. So when the market it performs with the market. When the general market is topping, expect Zcash to be topping. When the general market is dumping, expect Zcash to be dumping. And that's what we saw from May of 2021 when the general market dumped. A lot of altcoins get to set highs in November of 2021, Zcash included. Since then, it has been down only since then. We have seen Zcash go from as high as $360. Zcash came back down to as low as $17, which was a new all-time low. But guys, again, I told you, anytime Zcash go below $20, historically, that's been a good time to buy. This time it's not different. If you're one of those smart players that got Zcash around the $20 level right now, you're still in some profit. Maybe not those outrageous profits we saw in the past, but we have seen Zcash rally up by around 362%, getting to as high as the $76 level right now, currently trading around $52. It's still up 221%. From the bottom, Zcash is an OG coin. It has been here for a very long time. Market cap of around $838 million. Fully diluted market cap sitting at around $1 billion. Zcash has over 10,000 holders, and it has maximum of 21 million coins. Just like Bitcoin, we have 16.7 million of those coins in circulation. Zcash all-time high happened on 29th of October 2016. Zcash traded for as high as $5,941. Right now is down 99.15 from that all-time highs. The all-time low happened on the 5th of July 2024, and that was around the $15 level, just happened about a year ago. Zcash is up 215% from that level. You'll be wondering, what is Zcash? Why is it important in the cryptocurrency market? Zcash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the zk-SNARK zero proof. It uses the zk-SNARK zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. If you want to buy some Zcash for yourself, guys, you can buy Zcash on Binance, on Flea Finance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Mexi, on HTX, on KuCoin, and virtually anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Zcash right there. Right now, sentiment in the market tells us we're about to get to Altseason. You might be wondering why. Because there's greed in the cryptocurrency market, and Altseason eventually comes when we see extreme greed. Right now, there's greed in the market. Last week, there was greed in the market. Last month, there was greed. We're waiting for that elusive, exclusive greed, extreme greed moment in the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin trading above $105,000, with Ethereum trading above $2,500, with the market staying sustained period of greed. I'll not be shocked if extreme greed is just around the corner. And historically, extreme greed has led to Altseason. Altseason is when you see altcoins outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's what we pray will happen with Zcash, because Zcash has been losing value drastically against both Bitcoin and Ethereum since 2016, dropping to a new all-time low in February of 2025. I believe that pop is coming for Zcash. I'm a strong believer in dino coins, dinosaur coins. That's coins that have been here in the cryptocurrency market for ages. I believe Zcash is going to get an exit pump. I believe we will see Zcash outperforming Bitcoin. Maybe not outrageously by 1,000% or 2,000%, but maybe we could get a 300% pump, a 400% pump. That will be something to write home about. If you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, similar price action. We saw Zcash dumping against Ethereum since 2016. That dump was aggressive. That dump was very violent. Even though market participants were expecting us to continue pumping, Zcash kept dumping. But eventually, Zcash found the bottom. And since we found that bottom, we've had a strong bounce. That bottom for Zcash against Ethereum came in June of 2024. Since then, we've seen Zcash outperform Ethereum by 248%. And when we see Altseason, guys, expect to see that one big pump. Don't expect to see crazy all-time highs. The thing about the altcoin season pump that gets a lot of people stranded is that when we are going higher, they are not selling. Why are they not selling? They're expecting to continue going higher. At some point in time, they will be wrong. We'll start going lower. They'll think it's just a dip, and that will be their final chance to sell the top. You want to sell more, the higher we go. The higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet profit. Your number one job here is to buy low, is to sell high, is to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when we see greed, when we see extreme greed turn back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Zcash market cap, which currently sits around the $836 million level, we have seen Zcash market cap in December of 2024 cross that $1 billion level. But in 2021, guys, Zcash market cap was in a new all-time highs. Zcash market cap got to as high as $4.1 billion. That was the all-time high. Since then, we have not been able to cross over the $4 billion level. Since then, Zcash market cap has lost around 80% of its value. And I will not be shocked if it takes us a long while to get to new all-time highs. In this forthcoming Altseason, the key targets to watch out for, the $1.2 billion level will be very important. Hopefully, if we can rally above it, we still have a lot of resistance when we see Zcash getting to as high as $3 billion. That will be the line in the sand for us to get to that $3 billion level. We need to see an outrageous exit pump in Zcash that will see it pumping by more than 245%, which is possible, which can happen very quickly, knowing how volatile the altcoin market is. So guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Are you buying more Zcash right now? Do you believe in the project? Do you believe Zcash should continue pumping to higher prices? Will you partake in the final phases of altcoin season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.